Now, we've driven a lot of BMWs on this channel, but the one car that we have never seen is this BMW Touring 2000. 2002s we've seen for many, many years. But I've got to be honest, I think it's the first time I've ever seen a BMW which is a hatchback like that. Especially of that era. It's such a rare car. It's like got a rag top as well, period colour as well, and the thing is, look at the chrome surround on it. Very shark nose front as well, pop out rear windows, and just retro styling. I can't get over the amount of chrome, to be honest. Very cool. Just look at those rear lenses as well. Proper craftsmanship. For example, a filler cap with a BMW ident on it.
Yeah. They will be making them again, you know, bonnets. Yeah. You can buy bootlids, doors, wings.
Look at this.
You can buy the inner and outer front panel. I took 3 of them on the last blue one.
Oscar fuses as well.
The centre of the outer skin isn't in the middle of the
just look.
skin, so when you come to
It's quite an interesting layout on the headrest. If you think about the 850 CSIs, it's similar, except they're only on one side. Such a unique vehicle. I mean, just look at the stereo as well. Choke. And yeah, Matt. Mr. Matt's Beamer, you're going to love this. You really are. Look at that for a deflector on the rag top as well.
I did have to radio to recon.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Never ever seen one. And the likelihood is probably won't see one again. Thing is, still got the kidney grille as well. Yeah, retro kidney grille. Some little spots as well. Fantastic.